Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by placing the image where you want it to live in the sheet. First, make sure the file is a common format like PNG or JPG and not oversized. Then open the exact worksheet and click the cell you plan to anchor the image to. Once done, choose Insert, Pictures, and import the image. Position it near that cell, but don't worry about exact sizing yet. You'll refine placement and linking in the next steps. Now convert that picture into a true linked image so it updates automatically. Select the image, then click the formula bar, type an equals sign, and click the worksheet cell or named range whose content you want displayed as the image source. Press Enter and the picture will link to that cell's content. If your Excel version lacks this direct behavior, create a named range for the cell and use that name in the formula, or finish by sizing and locking the image so it behaves when rows or columns change. Right-click the picture, choose Size and Properties, then pick Move and Size with cells, or Don't Move or Size depending on layout needs. Test the link by editing the source cell or range. The image should refresh automatically. If it doesn't, make sure Workbook Calculation is set to Automatic, check that the named range or reference is correct, and verify that external links are enabled in Excel options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.